Dearest gentle learners, welcome to Alohomora English, your place to explore the magic of books, improve your English, and learn lessons that stay with you for life. So today, let's unlock something powerful together. Listen and read with me. Today, we will learn something simple and useful. Do you feel tired because you care too much? Too much about people, too much about small problems. Sometimes we think too much and we feel stressed. This is normal. Everyone feels like this. Today, we will learn how to make our mind calm and how to stop caring about everything. Do not worry. I will explain in very simple English so you can learn English and understand life better. Let me ask you, do small things disturb your mind? Do you think too much at night? If yes, this video will help you. Let's start. Don't try to be positive. All the time, many people think, I should always be happy and positive. But real life is not like this. Life has pain, stress, failure, and confusion. If you always try to stay positive, you start hiding your real feelings. Hidden feelings become stronger and more painful later. When you accept your feelings, your mind becomes calm. If you fail in an exam, everything is fine. I am happy. This is fake. I feel bad, but I will improve. This is real. Feeling sad does not mean your life is bad. It means you are human. Lesson: accept negative emotions. They help you grow. Problems never end. Life is full of problems. When one problem ends, a new one starts. There is no perfect life without problems. Even successful people have stress, pressure, and challenges. The secret is not avoiding problems. The secret is choosing the right problems. Waking up early is difficult, but being lazy all day is worse. Learning new skills is hard, but staying stuck in life is harder. Good life means solving meaningful problems. Lesson: choose problems that make you stronger, not weaker. You are not special, and that's okay. Today, people hear, you are special. You are the best. But this thinking can create pressure. You start expecting too much from yourself. You feel bad when you fail. You compare yourself with others. Truth is, everyone is normal in most things, and that is okay. You may not be the best student or speaker, but you can still improve and live happily. When you accept you are normal, you feel free. Lesson: stop trying to be perfect. Focus on improving. Value what truly matters. Values are things you believe are important in life. Good values help you grow. Honesty, learning, patience, hard work. Bad values create stress. Always wanting approval, comparing with others, only caring about money or status. If your value is, people should always like me, you will feel stressed and unhappy. But if your value is, I will learn and improve, you will feel strong and confident. Your values decide your happiness. Lesson: choose values that make your life peaceful and meaningful. You are responsible for your life. You cannot control everything. You cannot control other people. You cannot control every situation, but you can control your thoughts, actions, and reactions. Someone insults you. You react with anger, and the problem becomes bigger. You stay calm, and the situation improves. Even if something is not your fault, it is still your responsibility to deal with it. Lesson: take responsibility. Don't blame others. You are often wrong. We all think, I am right, but in reality, we make mistakes. Our thinking is sometimes wrong. This is normal. You take a decision and later realize it was wrong. Smart people accept mistakes quickly. Growth starts when you accept you can be wrong. Lessons: stay open, learn, improve. Failure is important. Many people fear failure, but failure is not your enemy. It is your teacher. Failure shows your mistakes. Failure helps you improve. Failure makes you stronger. If you fail an exam, you learn what you did wrong and prepare better. If you never fail, you never learn. If you never learn, you never grow. Success means many small failures and learning. Lesson: don't fear failure. Use it to grow. Say no sometimes. You cannot make everyone happy. If you always say yes, you feel tired. You lose your time and energy. Saying no is not bad. It shows self-respect. If you are busy and someone asks for help, you can say, sorry, I can't right now. When you say yes to everything, you say no to yourself. Lesson: protect your time, energy, and peace. Life is short. Death is real. This is the most powerful idea. One day, everyone will die. This may sound scary, but it actually helps you think clearly. When you remember life is short, you stop worrying about small things. You focus on what really matters. Instead of worrying about people's opinions, focus on your growth and happiness. Important things in life are relationships, learning, and meaningful work. Lesson: use your time wisely. Life is limited. Key takeaways: accept negative emotions. They help you grow. Choose problems that make you stronger, not weaker. Stop trying to be perfect. Focus on improving. Choose values that make your life peaceful and meaningful. Take responsibility. Don't blame others. Stay open. Learn. Improve. Don't fear failure. Use it to grow. Protect your time, energy, and peace. Use your time wisely. Life is limited. Thank you for learning with me.